Hi guys, it's Jack from Porsche Centre in Preston, and today we're going to be doing a video on Porsche's first dash cam, and we're going to be displaying it in this beautiful Cayman GTS, and we're going to be on the road showing you how that works. The Porsche Dash Cam is ideal for making video recordings of driving situations and while parking. The camera is operated with the associated app, in which all settings can be made. Recorded videos are stored on the supplied SD card and previous recordings are overwritten. If the dash cam detects a shake or vibration, or if the radar sensor is triggered, the recorded video is stored separately and not overwritten. Recordings can be downloaded directly from the SD card or via the app. The front-mounted camera records in QHD, has a polarization filter to reduce reflection and provide excellent colour contrast, and features GPS, radar and vibration sensors. There is both a drive and park mode, and you can easily review the footage on the app. For more information on the Porsche Dash Cam, please feel free to drop by the centre or give our team a call on 01772 911 911.